Example 4, solving equations with rational exponents. So here's our problem. So our exponent is rational, which means it's a fraction. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply the exponent by the denominator of the exponent. Remember, do that to both sides. So I'm going to look at the bottom. So if I take that 5 and take it, that 1/5, take it times 5, this goes to 1. This goes away. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other. So now, because this went away, I've got 3x minus 1 on one side, and 2 to the 5th is 32. And then now my second step is just to solve. So I need to add the 1. So that's 3x equals 33. And I need to divide by that 3. So x equals 11. Okay, and I really need to check that. So I'm going to plug it back in my calculator instead of writing it out each time. So I'm just going to plug in 3 times 11 minus 1 to the power of 1/5. And I get 2. Well, 2 equals 2, so that is a good answer. It's not extraneous. Let's try B. Same thing. We're going to take it by whatever the denominator of the fraction is. So right there. So times 3, so this goes away. And third power over here. Well, now we have x plus 5 on this side equals 3 to the third power is 27. And if I solve, I need to minus 5. So x equals 22. Once again, I'm going to grab my calculator and check. I'm going to plug it in just like I say. So parentheses 22 plus 5 to the power of 1/3. And I get 3, and that says 3, so we are good. That's also a good solution. Now this one's a little bit different. I need to first move this. So I need to move first. Okay, so I need the parentheses to be by themselves. And that's how it is, how we've always done it. So to move that 3, that says 3 times because parentheses means times, I need to divide by 3. So those go away. My left side still says parentheses x plus 6 to the 1/2 power. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now we're going to go into where we're trying to get rid of this. So we're going to multiply that by 2. So all this goes away. X plus 6 equals, and over here 3 squared is 9. And if I solve it, I need to minus my 6. X equals 3. So I'm going to plug it in my calculator just to make sure I'm right. 3 parentheses, 3 plus 6 to the 1/2 power equals 9. So I'm good. That one is not extraneous. Try one more. Same thing here. We need to get rid of the power. Look at the denominator, so multiply by 2. So that's squared up there. So this says x squared on this side. This goes away, so that's just x plus 12. I've got a squared, so I have to remember to move everything to one side. This is positive, so I'm going to move everything to it. So I need to minus my x and minus my 12. That goes away over here. This needs to go in order, so x squared minus x minus 12. I then need to factor. because there's a 1 right here, I can just write x and x. 12 makes 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 4 and 3. 4 and 3 is going to be what gives me negative 1. So negative 4 plus 3. So x minus 4 equals 0, and x plus 3 equals 0. Then if I solve both of these, that's one solution is x equals 4. The other one is x equals negative 3. Let's plug these in. So far, a lot of the ones we've done when they've had two answers, one of them has not been true. So let's try it here. So my original equation was x equals x plus 12 to 1/2. That was the original. So if I plug in 4 equals 4 plus 12 to 1/2. So 4 equals, that's 16 to the 1/2. 16 to the 1/2 is 4, so 4 is good. Let's try negative 3 and make sure it's right. Negative 3 equals, negative 3 plus 12 is 1/2. So negative 3 equals, that's 9 to the 1/2. Well, negative 3 equals 9 to the 1/2 is 3. So this is not a solution right here, it's extraneous. Try this one on your own.